everyone, welcome to our Eco Machinery. Come with me on a tour of a factory today.
We are now in the location of a brand new plant, which is building and working in January 2022, with a total area of 98,000 square meters. Our company was established in 2000 and is located in the center of the private economic zone of Ruiyang City, Zhejiang Province. It is one of the largest packaging machinery enterprises producing automatic bagging packaging machines in China. Today, we will show you how to make our packaging machine into the industry leading and become the domestic leader. Our factory has a total of 8 floors. The first floor is our processing center. The second floor is our warehouse. The third floor is our assembly workshop. The fourth floor is our debugging workshop. The fifth floor is exhibition hall, which is still being renovated. The 6 to 8 floors are our office area. The first floor is dominated by the reception hall, processing center, packing, and distribution area. Here is our showroom, which mainly displays our self-developed patented products and accessories. There is also a large exhibition hall showing the historical and cultural process of our company. Welcome to visit our company after the epidemic is over.
Here we go. Now we enter the processing workshop on the first floor. You can hear the loud noise of the machine running. The total investment in packing process equipment on this floor is over $6.3 million.
It can be said that our machine is one of the best in the bag-given packing machine in China. And our process center is one of the largest part process base in China. You can hardly find a company like ours in the Chinese market. Nearly 90% of the parts of the whole machine are independently developed and produced by us, which is extremely rare in the national packaging machinery industry. We don't have to wait for logistics to handle our own parts, which makes it easier for us to develop and trial new models. Our processing center on the first floor alone has about 200 employees.
Here is our wire cutting center. You will find all our accessories have their own number, which makes our after-sales service more convenient.
Present, due to the COVID-19, many small-scale parts processing companies have been affected and cannot guarantee on-time shipments. However, our company has its own processing center and a stable supply of raw materials. Not only the delivery cycle is fast, but also the quality is guaranteed.
The delivery time for the standard model machine is about 30 days. Here is our packing and delivery area, where a machine never exposed to harsh environments until it is shipped from our factory. Our aisle enough to load 4 to 5 containers at the same time.
Let me introduce our second and third floor. Here is our warehouse. There are measuring cups which are customized according to customers' product. Different specification makes the packaging more personalized and more professional.
There is a vacuum pump support, feeder turntable, and packing machine panel. The whole warehouse has more than 10,000 square meters.
Now, follow me to check our after-sales service shelf. There are 18 staffs in the warehouse, including shelf staff, distribution staff, 2 order listing staff, packaging staff, and 2 code staffs. They all have a structured workflow.
There are more than 600 shelves in the warehouse. This area is placed with parts that providing tools for the processing center. The shelf is full of purchased accessories and electrical appliances, including Siemens, Omron, and other international well-known brands, as well as many domestic excellent enterprises of electronic equipment. We have more than 7,000 kinds of outsourcing parts. We use more than 8,000 kinds of homemade parts. You can see that the middle shelf is full of our homemade parts, all neatly sorted according to the type of equipment. This area is filled with large accessories that cannot be placed on the shelf. They all can be found with remark.
This is our special shelf for after-sales service. We promise to our customers that they don't need to worry about after-sales service. We have prepared enough accessory to customers to replace in time. All in all, we believe excellent warehouse management can better assist production and solve customers' after-sales problem, which is independent part for us. Now let's go to the third floor. Here is our assembly workshop, where small parts are assembled into our equipment. Look at this side. The machine has been installed as requirement on the production order.
All installed equipment can be sent to the commissioning group after a series of strict inspections by the factory.
In the same way, our assembly workshop strictly follows 7S management. A good working environment can bring a comfortable mood, which can increase efficiency. Above introduction of a second and third floor.
We have special assemblers and inspectors for each machine.
Here we can see the details of the machine clearly. Let's take a look at the core structure of the equipment.
We use internal cam, which can run with a predetermined curve and be more stable. Only through the joint efforts of many parties can we produce qualified machine, which is also the attitude advocated by our factory.
Moreover, our cams guarantee service life. The quality of our cam is so strong that we have confidence in lifetime warranty, because it will not break at all.
Let me introduce our first floor. The first floor is our debugging area, which for adjusting machine after assembly and connect to filling system according to customers' needs. Here is a wide space for containing more than 300 set machines.
Our wholesale machines are normal rotary packing machine and vacuum packing machines. As you can see, each machine has its own floor.
This is our material room, which can store materials and sample bags sent by customers. This is the office of our production manager and programmers. On the right side are all our machines.
As you can see, most of them are vacuum machines. In China, vacuum food is very popular, with flash taste and convenient to take, such as chicken legs, eggs, duck tongue, fish bowl, dry tofu, pickles, and so on. Of course, for different materials, our vacuum machine is equipped with different filling systems, such as egg feeder, dried bean feeder.
Now let me introduce some of our packing machines. This is our new Western and exclusive design of vacuum packing machine MRZK200P. Now let's do an experiment. Put a glass of water on the machine. Why is our machine so stable?
Our machine uses higher quality materials, 26mm mean former and 3mm stainless steel edging. As just introduced, 90% of parts of our equipment are produced by our own processing center.
Beside the vacuum packing machine, we also have another hot cell model rotary packing machine. This is solid and granule packing line. The winning system is scale. This is powder packing line, connected the auger filler and a screw conveyor,
which is suitable for milk powder, coffee powder, coconut powder, and more.
Some visitors asked about printing, production date, and the batch number. Sure, our machine can do printing.
There are rainbow printer, TTO, inkjet printer, laser printer. Customer can choose according to customer's needs. We usually put the printing on the circling station. Before opening bags and filling, the bags is in a flat state and the cording effect is better.
When the machine arrives to the customer factory, it only needs a simple debugging after the installation. Above is our introduction of our factory first floor. Thank you.
The fifth floor includes company meeting rooms, employee sport fields, and new equipment research and development rooms. The sixth floor are offices for sales staff, financial staff, administrative staff, and parking lot. The seventh floor is our technical department, which is responsible for the design of some drawings and parts. The roof is our chairman's office.
We sincerely invite you to visit our factory if you have any opportunity to come to China. And if you have any interest in our packing machine, please feel free to contact us for more machines.